Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Let's continue to the simulation part. First, we will add the 5 volts battery. Then, we will add transistor, which is NPN BGT, and this step is called 2N22A. That is we use. Then we will add LDR and two resistors. R1 will be 10 ohm, and R2 will be 10 or 10 kilo ohm. Then we will add the LDR. Then we will wiring. The reason why we make R1 and R2 bigger than R1, it is resistant because we need to control our base. That when the touch is on or near to the LDR is resistant and drops or become less, and our base is connected. Then the LED its light is on, and when the touch is far away from LDR or it is off, our LED and it is off because our base is not connected, because of LDR act like open circuit, or this resistance is high. It reaches around 500k ohm. That's the reason the LED it is off. If we try to put a voltage or voltmeter between, it's less than 0.7. That is why the base is not connected.